Welcome to Car Show 1, where we bring you the latest and greatest in the automotive world. If you love cars, you're in the right place. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to stay updated on all things automotive. Now, let's dive into today's exciting topic, the 2026 Genesis G90. Genesis has been making waves in the luxury car segment, and the 2026 G90 is another perfect example of their commitment to excellence. This flagship sedan from Hyundai's luxury division is redefining what a premium vehicle should be, combining top-tier technology, luxury, and performance into one stunning package. If you're looking for a car that offers a first-class driving experience, the new Genesis G90 is worth your attention. The exterior design of the 2026 Genesis G90 is nothing short of breathtaking. With its signature crest grille, sleek LED headlights, and elegant lines, this sedan commands attention on the road. Genesis has taken an approach that blends sophistication with modern aesthetics, creating a look that rivals the likes of Mercedes S-Class and BMW 7 Series. The long wheelbase, sculpted body, and premium finishes make it one of the most stylish luxury sedans available. The brand's signature two-line lighting design, stretching across the front and rear, adds a futuristic touch, making the G90 instantly recognizable. Step inside, and you'll find a cabin that exudes luxury and refinement. Genesis has gone above and beyond to ensure the interior feels like a high-end lounge on wheels. High-quality materials like Napa leather, open-pore wood, and aluminum accents are used throughout the cabin, creating an atmosphere of pure elegance. The attention to detail is remarkable, with every element crafted to provide a premium feel. The 2026 G90 features a fully digital instrument cluster, a massive infotainment touchscreen, and an advanced climate control system to enhance comfort. One of the standout features of the new G90 is its focus on passenger comfort. The rear seats offer an executive-level experience, with options like reclining seats, a massage function, and even a footrest in higher trims. Rear passengers also get a dedicated touchscreen control system, allowing them to adjust climate, seat settings, and entertainment features effortlessly. It's clear that Genesis designed this car not just for drivers but also for those who prefer to be chauffeured. When it comes to technology, the 2026 Genesis G90 is loaded with cutting-edge features. The infotainment system supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, offering seamless smartphone integration. A premium Lexicon sound system provides an immersive audio experience, ensuring every drive feels like a private concert. The G90 also features an advanced head-up display, voice recognition, and multiple USB-C ports to keep all passengers connected and entertained. Safety has always been a priority for Genesis, and the 2026 G90 is packed with advanced driver assistance systems. It includes adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and automatic emergency braking. The highway driving assist feature allows for semi-autonomous driving, making long-distance travel more relaxing. The car also features a surround view camera system, parking sensors, and remote smart parking assist, allowing it to park itself with the push of a button. Under the hood, the 2026 G90 is expected to offer a choice of powerful yet refined engines. The base model may come with a 3.5-liter twin-turbocharged V6, delivering smooth and effortless acceleration. A more powerful hybrid variant could also be available, providing a perfect balance between performance and fuel efficiency. The G90 comes with an all-wheel drive option, ensuring better traction and stability in various driving conditions. The suspension system is designed for ultimate comfort, with adaptive dampers that adjust to road conditions in real time. Driving the G90 is an experience in itself. The cabin remains whisper quiet thanks to active noise cancellation and premium insulation materials. The air suspension system glides over bumps, making every journey smooth and comfortable. Whether you're behind the wheel or relaxing in the back seat, the 2026 Genesis G90 delivers a ride quality that rivals the best luxury sedans in the world. Genesis has also focused on sustainability with the new G90. The use of eco-friendly materials in the interior, along with energy-efficient lighting and hybrid technology, reflects the brand's commitment to a greener future. This ensures that luxury and environmental responsibility can go hand in hand. In terms of pricing, the 2026 Genesis G90 is expected to be competitively positioned against its German rivals, offering a more affordable alternative to the S-Class and 7 Series without compromising on luxury or features. With its exceptional value, advanced technology, and stunning design, the G90 is set to attract luxury car buyers looking for something unique and innovative. Overall, the 2026 Genesis G90 is a masterpiece of automotive engineering. It perfectly blends luxury, technology, and performance, making it one of the most compelling choices in the premium sedan segment. Whether you're a car enthusiast or someone who appreciates high-end craftsmanship, the G90 is a car that demands attention. That's it for today's review. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to Car Show 1 for more in-depth car reviews and updates. Let us know in the comments what you think about the 2026 Genesis G90. Would you choose this over its German competitors? Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.